Welcome back to the UX Revamp channel. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss updates. Today we will discuss about new feature introduced in new design, which is RSS Swayamsevak AI assistant tool. Users' expectations are high and attention spans are very short in the current digital era. For this reason, the new AI assistant tool, which is now located on the top navigation bar, was presented as a cutting edge tool with a classic feel.
Why it was added? The old website lacked real time help. This AI assistant now offers instant answers to key questions about RSS organization. A friendly conversational tone for all age groups, quickly navigation through history, values, and events. Let's see how it's works. Just click on AI icon button and start asking questions. It replies are respectful, brief, and link deeper into the site. The core purpose to this tool to turn the website from a static archive into a living interactive platform, echoing the RSS spirit of the active participation. Next, we discuss about RSS organization chat. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has always followed a disciplined, structured leadership model. But until now, the previous website lacked a clear visual of this internal hierarchy. With the redesigned website, the introduction of the organization chat bridges that gap, offering transparency, clarity, and accessibility. Why this feature was added? Clarity of structure. The chat shows the full chain of command from Sar Sanchalak to Pramukhs and Saha Pramukhs in key areas like outreach, volunteer works, and intellectual guidance. Second point, public transparency. For visitors, news, Swayamsevaks, and media, this chat explains who does what within the Sangh with clarity and confidently. And third point, digital maturity. This is a modern move to visual reflect the strong organizational discipline RSS has always followed offline. The thought process behind this design, top to down layout reflects traditional Sangh hierarchy. Minimal and clean, easy to read, future ready for hover tooltips or interaction. Intuitive grouping, departments like Seva, Sharirik, Prachar, and Vyavastha are neatly structured under their in charges. Value it adds to website that educates newcomers, it builds the trust, reinforces discipline digitally. This is not just a chat, it's the digital face of the Sangh organized spirit and service driven structure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are a true RSS Swayamsevak, please share this video with everyone so that this video may reach RSS decision makers. If you are into web design, UX trends, or just love great interfaces, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more redesign breakdowns. I will see you in next revamp design. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.